everybody, so we got some items in the mail from Home Depot. Today we're going to be checking out the Milwaukee M12 bandsaw, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I don't know why Home Depot couldn't have put this item in a actual brown Home Depot box. You know, because this box is kind of banged up. I understand that most of these boxes are meant to be shipped open box. It's not like extremely horrible, but it looks like it's on the back. It kind of looks like it skid on some concrete or something. This is the Milwaukee 2429-20. Flip this around. Pull all these stickers off that aren't necessarily needed. Looks like this box had multiple stickers on it before. It's gonna be one of those. It doesn't want to come off. So we're gonna be doing a unboxing of this, but it's not gonna be on this video. This is just gonna be a quick look. That way it gives you guys the opportunity, if you do not want to watch the unboxing, or you're not interested in watching the tool, looking at the tool, no big deal. You don't have to watch the full unboxing or anything like that. I try to do like quick looks and unboxing separately for that particular reason. I have some viewers that want to see the unboxings, and I have some viewers that just want to look at the quick look videos. Let's see if I can get this. No, this side's not going to want to come off. It's an M12 cordless subcompact bandsaw. Again, item number 2429-20. This is a bare tool. It does not come with a battery or anything like that. One-handed cuts up to 40% smaller and 55% less weight. I believe this is the brushed model. I don't think they make this in a fuel model, so I would assume it's a brushed model. Powerful motor cuts 3/4 EMT in 3 seconds, delivers up to 125 cuts per charge with the M12 XC high capacity red lithium battery. 1 5/8 cut capacity for a wide range of applications, meets OSHA guard requirements, suitable for one-handed use. LED light highlights the cut line, blade tracking adjustment, easily adjustable blade position. Looks like they put everything, on the back. So just a quick video. I'm not really sure why the camera's crooked. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of this on a separate video. It again is the M12 cordless subcompact bandsaw. It is 2429-20. I'll put a link in the description, probably for Acme Tools or one of the affiliate programs I'm a part of. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!